The recent earthquakes in Texas and New Mexico are in the area of the Valles Caldera Supervolcano. Texas magnitude 4.8 and New Mexico 4.2, an earthquake swarm. Most of us know that we have the Yellowstone Supervolcano in Wyoming and the Long Valley Caldera in California, but we have a third supervolcano in the United States, and that's the Valles Caldera. It's located in Sandoval County in the Jemez Mountains, and the Valles Caldera is one of the three supervolcanoes that are found in the United States that was formed around 1.4 million years ago, with the last eruption dating back 40,000 years ago. Let's take a look at the map. And this is the one in Texas, 4.8 magnitude, and this is the one with the earthquake swarm in New Mexico. And you'll see that basically they're in the same line like this. If we take a look at the map, take a look at Las Cruces, and this one here was an earthquake, a volcanic activity 15 million years ago to the present. This is all the Valles Caldera supervolcano area. Okay, and this is the map of where we have Las Cruces right here. Okay, border of New Mexico with Texas. All this area is the Valles Caldera supervolcano, right there. And this is the New Mexico area. You can see that whole area has shaken from the 4.2 magnitude earthquake. There's not that many people living there. That's why there's not that many people reporting feeling it. That's the population density, hardly anybody there. Only 23 people reported it. This is the activity, one of the greatest concentrations of young uneroded volcanoes in North America. The climate helps to slow the process of erosion, giving scientists and visitors a chance to see some outstanding volcanic features. Many of the National Park Service sites in New Mexico are dedicated to preserving these volcanic features and cultural connections. We have the Navajo and Apache nations around there. Valles Caldera Natural Park Preserve is located in the Jemez volcanic field at the intersection of two major fault systems, the Rio Grande Rift and the Jemez Lineament. And the rift, stretching and thinning area of the Earth's crust, the stretching and thinning, extends from Colorado to Chihuahua, New Mexico, and the lineament chain of volcanic fields spans from east central Arizona to the Ratan-Clayton volcanic field in New Mexico. The Jemez volcanic field started forming more than 14 million years ago, with a series of eruptions, including at least two especially explosive events. The most recent being about 1.2 million years ago, formed Valles Caldera. You know what else happened 1.2 million years ago? Exactly. The second largest supervolcanic eruption of Yellowstone. Yellowstone erupted 2.1 million years ago, 1.2 million years ago, and 630,000 years ago. Isn't it just a coincidence that Valles Caldera also erupted 1.2 million years ago? Now, following the eruption, the surrounding earth collapsed into the volcano's drained magma chamber, forming 12 to 15 mile wide circular caldera that we visit today. So this is where we're having our earthquakes. But it's not only that. If we go back to our map, we have another very big earthquake today at another supervolcano, and that's this one. 6.1 magnitude earthquake, Atacama, Chile. Atacama is a supervolcano. You want to take a look? Let's take a look. Although USGS has stopped giving us the aerial of the area, but this is it. If we go back, let's see if we can go back to one of these and see if we can get an aerial. No, it doesn't go. For some reason, it stopped giving us the aerial, unfortunately. Okay, so we have 6.1 at Atacama Desert, which is another supervolcano. This whole area, a 6.1 magnitude earthquake. How many people felt it? Again, there's not that many people living there. 26 reported feeling it. Okay. So all of you there, please be very careful and alert. It's not just the West Coast that's having these earthquakes. It's also the Valles Caldera that's moving as well. These are the recent earthquakes there, this area right here. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.